fall. Time to clean up the leaves, I guess. Ugh, these pesky leaves. It's time to pick them up and cart them away, I guess. No, I don't want that.
The name of pollinators!
Wait, who are you?
I'm Katie Burns, and I'm a pollinator entomologist, and I'm here to protect the pollinators.
It's so cold out, Katie. Where are all the bees and the butterflies? I don't see any.
Well, they're hibernating right now, so queen bumblebees are under the soil, staying warm over the winter. And these leaves are really important to give them an extra layer of protection.
Wow, I didn't know that. So I should probably leave them where they are?
That's right, you want to leave the leaves.
Cool. Thanks, Katie.
You're welcome.
Well, if I can't bag them, I'll shred them. Yeah. Let's go, Bessie.
No, stop! You can't do that either!
What? Why?
Because there are moths and butterflies hiding in the leaves. They disguise themselves as chrysalids or caterpillars that look like leaves so they can have a safe place to overwinter.
Oh. So if I can't bag the leaves or shred them up, I guess I can move them to another part of the yard? Phew.
That's a great idea! Moving the leaves to either the edges of your yard or to your garden beds or around your shrubs is a great way to tidy up while still protecting pollinators. Plus, it's free fertilizer for your plants.
Wow, that was so easy. Now I have all this extra time on my hands. It's time to clean up all of these messy stems. Ha-ha!
No, don't do that either!
What? Why?
So these dead stalks have seeds on them that are really good food for birds over the winter when there's limited food supply.
Oh.
Also, plants that have hollow stems make really good habitat for solitary bees, which have their larvae overwintering inside.
So what can I do?
You don't have to do anything.
So I can just be?
Bee. For winter.
Oh, so if I shred the leaves, that would disturb them.
Yeah, a lot.
That's not great. Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Well, if I can't bag them, I'll shred them! It's fall!